So here we are at Unbearably Cute, and we had a pretty bad windstorm that took out our awning that helps for when it rains for guests to be able to enter the door. So we're going to take off the brackets that came with it, and we are going to reinstall the awning that was originally there. So thankfully we found it at Home Depot, and it should be an easy swap out. So enjoy.
And looking for a friend. Think I'll catch a southern train and ride someplace pretty. Take a trip on the LNN. Cause I'm riding high and wide to my home up around the bend. I'll soon be drifting back to those hills of Carolina when I'm riding on the LNN. Riding high and wide to my home up around the bend. I'll soon be drifting back to those hills of Carolina when I'm riding on the LNN. Play one, Tom. Well, there ain't so much to see as you're riding on the blinds. Just a glimpse of scenery now and then. But I swear I smell the pines and the southern laurels blooming as I'm riding on